This week, Parliament was informed that over 250 medical personnel would be going to work in Trinidad and Tobago. MPs say it's not wrong for doctors to seek greener pastures, but the question is, why is government involved? Kinkizi East MP Dr. Chris Bariomusi argues that government would first better the working conditions for its health workers and improve their remuneration rather than export them to other countries.
We've been complaining that the health services in Uganda must be improved. One of the biggest challenges we have as a country is the lack of a well-motivated human resource. But for government now to be involved in exporting health workers in the brain drain which should be fighting is very unfortunate. If it was a private firm which is sending away these health workers, that would be understandable. But for government to even allow doctors, in some cases you find a hospital has only one doctor, and this doctor has been shortlisted to be sent to Trinidad and Tobago. That's very unfortunate.
But there are those who are in support of government's involvement on finding placements for qualified personnel.
Government can arrange and people are taken to do work. I don't think that is wrong. The part of enumeration should be left to government to motivate those who do not want to go out to remain and work for their own people.
All our doctors, they don't work here because of the low payment. And as we speak now, go to Rwanda, go to South Sudan, the majority of our doctors are there because of good payment. I remember when we visited Rwanda, we found that doctors from Uganda are being paid Uganda shillings 4 million.
The State Minister for Foreign Affairs for Regional Duties, Asuman Chiyingi's response was not committal, as he argued that his ministry was not answerable to the queries, even though the advertisement calling for applications was posted on its website.
The Minister of Foreign Affairs does not produce the doctors and the nurses. It does not export them. It does not produce the professionals, doctors, engineers from Uganda. Our role is to provide consular services wherever they are.
Mbara Municipality MP Dr. Medel Bitecheris says there could be other individuals behind this move.
Some few individuals in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, most probably who got a kickback from probably a private firm in Trinidad and Tobago to steal doctors from here and nurses to go and work there.
The Foreign Affairs Ministry is expected to give a full statement before Parliament on this matter next week. Maurice Ochol, NTV Weekend Edition.